Hi guys, I know we just saw each other in class, but I want to go over the military 4 and 6 point grid assignment one more time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over it. So if you're one of the students that didn't get a chance to see it, I will do that right now. Okay, so for 4-point military grid, it's going to be useful when we're looking at general locations. I'm just going to write that down quickly. 4-point military grid. So used to find general locations. And what I mean by general locations is, let's see if we can use this man as an example. We're trying to identify the entire square that the object is present in. And 6-point military grid, it's used to find specific locations. Okay, so let's say if the location I'm looking at requires me to be a little bit more precise. Let's say for this dot right here, which is B, I'm looking directly at where the dot is inside of the box, rather, instead of the entire box. Sorry about that. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to try to identify where the man is, and as you can see right here, that's the man right there, and this is where I'm going to put the information for 4-point. It's this simple. So you have two types of lines that are on your military grid: lines that are running vertically, and then lines that are running horizontally. We're going to start with the vertical line first, so the lines running up and down. I want you guys to always look at the line that is immediately to the left of the object right here. So the man is right here. The line that's immediately to the left, if I follow it down, is going to be line 06. So my first set of the 4 digits is going to be 06. And then we're going to look at the line that is beneath the object. So we're going to look at the second set of lines, the lines that are moving horizontally. And if you look here, if I follow this over, my second line is on line 48. So we're going to write in here line 48, and there you go. That is my 4-point grid reference for the man. So my man is at 0648. That is my 4-point grid reference for the man. Now I can do the same thing for the theater. If I look at the theater, I look at the line that is directly to the left. If I follow that down, it's line 05. And if I look at the bottom, the line that is all the way across is line 46. Okay, so I do that with the exact same, or using the exact same method for all 9 images that are present here. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Now the next one is the 6-point grid referencing system. Now the 6-point grid referencing system is going to be similar to the 4. The only difference is we have 1 extra digit in both sets of numbers. Let's look at letter A and how we actually find the 6-point system. So for letter A, the 6-point system is going to be found by breaking the box up into notches. So starting with the line that's to the left, and I'll just put 6 numbers here, that way you guys can see, or 6 different blanks that you can see. Okay, so starting with the number that's to the right, number that's to the left, sorry, not to the right, to the left rather, is 05, so we're going to put 05. And then as you can see here, moving from 05 to 06, the line is actually broken up into notches of 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You simply just find where the notch is placed under, or which one is closest to, and it's going to be notch 2, and that's going to be your 3rd point for your first set of numbers. I'm going to do the exact same thing from 48 to 49, break it up into notches of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the 10th one is going to be on the line. And if I follow that across, it is under line 8. So it's going to be 4, 8, 8. And that's going to be my 6-point reference for point A. So point A should be 052, 488. Now let's do one more as an example. This is B. I'm just going to put my 6 lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's line B. So moving across from line 6 to 7. So we're going to put in 06. Is that the number that's to the left? Line that's to the left. And we're going to break it up into notches of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And I'm just going to draw a straight line down. And I'm going to do the exact same thing going up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to draw the line across. Okay, so we're going to see that B is at 0, 6, and it's under notch 1, 2, 3, 4. So B is 0, 6, 4, and then moving up, it is 4, 6, 1, 2, 3. So 4, 6, 3. Okay, and that is my 6-point military grid reference and my 4-point military grid reference in a nutshell. Okay, if you guys have any questions, please make sure that you message me on Google Classroom, or if you have any specific questions, you can message me directly by email or by posting something in Google Classroom. Okay, thank you guys. Hopefully you guys understood it, and if you have any other questions, please do not hesitate to ask.